Hi everyone and welcome back to Little Book's Great Stories. Today's book is Too Many Cupcakes from Trolls. So Mr. Biggie needs some help baking cupcakes. The bugs agree to come and help him. Mr. Biggie leaves to go get some sprinkles for the cupcakes, but when he comes back, something happened. Let's find out as we read. Please subscribe to Little Book's Great Stories and like this video if you want a cupcake. Too many cupcakes. There are many kinds of trolls. Biggie is the tallest troll. Mr. Dinkles is his pet worm. Biggie and Mr. Dinkles bake sweet treats. Poppy comes to visit. Poppy needs cupcakes. Lots of cupcakes. She needs them for a party. Biggie gets to work. He pours the flour into 2 big bowls. Biggie mixes and mixes and mixes the batter. It goes everywhere. What a mess. Baking so many cupcakes is too much work for one troll. Biggie goes to find help, but the other trolls are getting ready for Poppy's party too. They are too busy to help bake. Biggie sees Cloud Guy in the forest. Biggie tells him his problem. Cloud Guy has an idea. Busy buzzer bugs love to work hard. Biggie should ask them if they want to help. Biggie asks the bugs. The bugs would love to help. Biggie shows the bugs how to make cupcakes. They mix the batter. They pour the batter. They put the pans in the oven. They take the cupcakes out of the oven. The bugs decorate the cupcakes. They use all the sprinkles. Biggie leaves to get some more. While Biggie is gone, the bugs keep making cupcakes. Lots of cupcakes. Cupcakes fill the bakery. Cupcakes spill out of the bakery. Cupcakes fill the paths. Cupcakes fill the homes. Cupcakes fill the whole village. Biggie returns with the sprinkles. Oh no. There are too many cupcakes! Cloud Guy waves to Biggie. Busy buzzer bugs are very good workers, says Cloud Guy, but they are not very good at stopping. Thank you for your help, Biggie tells the bugs. You can stop now. The bugs go home. They had fun making cupcakes. Poppy invites Bridget to her big party. She loves Biggie's cupcakes. Bridget and the trolls eat them all. The next day, Biggie goes back to baking. This time, he does it all by himself, except for Mr. Dinkles. Thank you so much for listening to today's Read-Aloud. Please come back again next week for another great Read-Aloud here at Little Book's Great Stories.